What's poppin' YouTube? We back at it over here. What time is it? It's like it's 10 o'clock. As y'all can see, it's 10 o'clock. About to get some food. I'm hungry. Get some breakfast. Feel me? The car is still dirty. Last video I'm gonna wash it, but I never got. I did have a chance, but I was being lazy to wash it. But I'm gonna for sure wash it today though, like that ass, cause it's looking filthy out here. And I went all the way, went to that lake and shit. So I'm gonna for sure wash it today for sure. But everything the same. Carbon fiber looking good. Carbon fiber roof looking good. I think I'm gonna talk to you a little bit on what I want to do next with the car. And the car, while I'm in the car or something, I definitely need new tires. I don't know if y'all can see, but my front tires are pretty gone. I probably burned them out before I even put new tires on them. But I definitely need some beater tires in the back though. I want to spin, bro. I want to spin the car. I want to do some burnout, do some dumb shit before winter comes. Cause winter comes, I'm probably never gonna drive this car. If I do, I probably drive it for like a month and put it back in. Cause I don't want no salt touching this car like at all. I don't want salt touching the bottom, nothing at all. I don't want no salt. I don't care what anybody say. I don't want salt touching this car. I don't care if other people drive. I see mad people drive the G80s outside in the winter. I don't give a fuck what they do. This is my car. I pay the payments. I do everything for this shit. No salt touching this car. But enough of that. Enough yapping about that. Let's get back. Let's get in the seat. I actually need gas. I'm on like 50 miles right now, so I'm about to get gas real quick. I should have did this when I'm at the gas station, but fuck it. We're doing it right here. Alright, let's get into it though. So I'm really debating if I really want to like spin the car a lot or not, because I'm hearing a lot of shit about it. Like, but people have been saying like you still got to service your differential a lot, like more than usual with these M cars, which I was gonna plan on doing since I heard about it. Yo, after that fill up, I only got like 300 miles of range. 300 miles of range, to me, straight pressing is not too bad. Like I'm telling y'all, bro, S58 is some fucking shit, bro. Like, it's way better than that fucking S63 shit, like, dead ass, bro. I know one of my mans got a 550, bro. He fills up twice a week and he does not even get this good amount of miles. Like I'm telling you, S58 is the shit, bro. Fuck them V8s, B58 too, B48. All the 8s are the shit. B48 is the shit, reliable as fuck. B58, you already know about B58. S58 is fucking the shit too, bro. What y'all gonna say, like oil pump and water pump and like the differential and dumb shit. But other than that, bro, you're solid, gang. And the oil pump is 50-50, I heard. It really depends on like the person, like if you get lucky or not. Yo, rear wheel drive is so fun and scary. It's crazy. Right there, it was pulling me to the right. Yo, I need an exhaust. Like, bro, like, oh my god, I need an exhaust. I feel like I don't know how to explain it, bro. I would pay the money for it just for the investment to get content, but I feel like a company could like sponsor me and give me an exhaust, you know, like, or like give me a discount on one, bro. I've been trying to, like, IRL got some good ass S58 exhausts. They sound crazy, bro. And I dealt with IRS downpipes before, so I kind of want to stick with them. But I just need a sponsor. It don't matter. The price could be. I just need the sponsor, bro. Anyway, the discount not be much. You know, you're gonna give me for free. I will pay for it. But I need the sponsor, bro. Really, I just need it. Yeah, all the grandmas and grandpas outside, so like, you know, they be getting.
Christians call start cussing at you outside. On the real night church when we drop ties.
The fuck are you doing, gang? Yo, cooler than father. The fuck is you doing, gang? Go! The fuck?
Screen share, swipe it up. Purple like you pipe the chop. Turkle them, then try get up. Work till 6, then find the club. Burn me split, me light it up. Ready? Cash code. A digital screen up on the dashboard. Clinical sweep on the clock car road. Got a Trinidad BH from my cocky night show. E for the tree, the top of open. C for the tree, the cocky tone. Strike off a real like Phil Ford. Them diamond no real dog, this a real gold. Fuck on no mention, repost. Have a gal give me tension, heads that deep throat. Up in defense by 3 more. Got double my pen than them dime for C store. Cash good. Come here, we go side them up, come turn my feet. Come here, we go line them up. When them think I white, you go up his color.
Alright, YouTube, we made it. The GD2 parked over there. Spots pretty nice, I ain't gonna lie. You gotta order on your phone, so I'm kinda like debating on what I should get. Alright though, YouTube. Food came, hot chocolate. This is like the bowl thing I was telling you about. The breakfast brunch thing. Waffles, bacon, fruits, I don't know. This is like croissant. I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't know what this is either. Looks pretty good though. Of course, you gotta get 2 eggs, you gotta get the protein. But I'm hungry and I'm starving, so I'm gonna dog this shit down. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm done. Shit look busting though, right? Let me know if y'all fuck it. I'll give y'all a rating after. I never tried shit before. And this shit look, all this shit's mad sweet, bro. I should've got waffles at this point. Like, I didn't think it'd come on all this, but whatever though. YouTube, I'm back. Shit wasn't bad. Plus not all of that. Shit's too sweet. Like these shits are too sweet, bro. I couldn't fuck with it. Like, I don't eat all that sweet. Shit, I was way too sweet. Hot chocolate bust, the eggs I bust down, waffles I bust down, bacon I bust down. But this shit, I draw the line here, bro. This shit too sweet. Look at that.